Today we will see next experiment, that is to prepare and submit 500 ml of compound sodium chloride intravenous infusion. Yesterday we have seen dextrose intravenous infusion. In that dextrose is there and water for injection. Composition of compound sodium chloride injection, that consisting of sodium chloride 0.86 gram, potassium chloride, that is 0.03 gram, calcium chloride 0.033 gram, and water for injection 100 ml. The compound sodium chloride injection, it is also known as Ringer's solution. This consisting of all electrolytes, sodium, potassium, calcium, chloride, that all electrolytes that are present in it. Same process is the method of preparation is the same as that in last practical. That is, you have to weigh all the ingredients. That is, first you have to do calculation. The formula is given for 100 ml. You have to calculate it for 500 ml. That is 100 ml of compound sodium chloride injection, that consisting of sodium chloride 0.86 gram. So how much is for 500? 0.86 multiplied by 500 divided by 100, it will come 4.3 gram. You have to weigh accurately sodium chloride 4.3 gram. Same, that is potassium chloride, that is 100 ml consisting of 0.03. How much is for 500 ml? That is 0.15 gram of sodium chloride you have to take. And calcium chloride, that is 0.165 gram of calcium chloride you have to take. Weigh all the ingredients accurately. Take inside weighed amount of all the substances that is taken inside the beaker. Dissolve in vehicle, that is water for injection. With the help of glass rod, you have to stir it and then filter it. Filter it through sintered glass filter. That is pore size, that is ranging from 8 micron to 0.22 micron. After filtration, you have to keep that preparation inside the bottle. Invert the bottle for visualization of any particulate matter and observe it under black and white background. If any particle that has been observed, again you have to filter through sintered glass filter, and then autoclaving of this preparation, that is done at inside the autoclave 121 degrees Celsius at 15 pound pressure for 20 minutes. This is for sterilization time, temperature and pressure. After sterilization, by keeping it at 121 degrees Celsius, 15 pound pressure, 20 minutes, then you have to remove from autoclave, and again labeling has to be done. The label, that consisting of first, that is 3 sentences. It is intravenous infusion, so it must be sterile, biologen free and single dose container. No antimicrobial should be added inside this preparation. Then you have to write formula, that is sodium chloride 4.3 gram, potassium chloride 0.15 gram, calcium chloride 0.165 gram, and water for injection up to 500 ml. Then category of this preparation is also used as irrigation solution, that is washing of foods. The water is used, that is for external use it is used, that is irrigation solution. The preparation that is used as fluid and electrolyte replication. When there is severe loss of electrolyte and water, that is in case of diarrhea, there is loss of electrolytes and water. At that time, this Ringer's solution that is used. Dosage, that is as directed by physician. Precaution, that is it is used for one time only. Remaining preparation you have to discard, and it should be stored inside the cool place away from direct sunlight and heat, and manufactured at DCS College of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhule. This is the method. Now we will see practical. Now first you have to weigh all the ingredients, that is sodium chloride, potassium chloride and calcium chloride. After weighing all the ingredients, you have to take inside the beaker and then with the help of add water for injection in it. In small quantity of water you have to dissolve first, then make the quantity up to 500 ml. You have to make the quantity with the help of water for injection up to 500 ml. Then filter it. After filtration, the infusion that is transferred to the bottle, volume is made up to 500 ml and the preparation that is transferred inside the bottle, and visual inspection after filtering through sintered glass filter, the infusion that is transferred inside the bottle and visual inspection is carried out by inverting the bottle. Any particle that has been seen or not, that has been observed, and then it is kept inside the autoclave for autoclaving. The bottle inside the autoclave. Close the autoclave. Keep at 121 degrees Celsius at 15 pound pressure for 20 minutes. After autoclaving at 121 degrees Celsius, 15 pound pressure for 20 minutes, label that has to be prepared and applied on the bottle. Thank you.